Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. I am Truly Tara and here I do unboxings and reviews, a little of this and a little of that. And today I have Truly, but I want you guys to like, subscribe, comment, share this video. Before I got on, I seen that we are up to 156, which thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for everything. Last week, I'm so glad it's a new week, but whenever I had my bad day the other day, you guys were so sweet in the comments. I appreciate it so much. But all right, today I have Truly, so let's just go ahead and unbox this. And we'll talk about the giveaway at the end of the video. Okay, so first things first, I opened this last night just to see what bag I got. And another SpongeBob bag. So, not too exciting. I wish that Truly would do something different. Something different. Come on. Like, if we're going, it makes me not want, the only reason that I'm still getting this is because I can use these bags in my giveaways. And I love the excitement of getting the sub box, but it's like the same bags, and then a lot of times it's the same products. So I haven't looked at the products yet. So let's see what products I got, and we'll decide if this was okay. So first thing is anti-cellulite resurfacing body serum. And oh my gosh, I just got this. But I don't know. I think that I got it in the Truly Labor Day sale. Okay, so next product. Okay, so I got the Truly House of Beauty keychain, which, wow, I don't think I've ever got this before, which is kind of odd. You would think I would have 50 of those. Okay, so next we have Goodnight Moon. Again, I feel like, I don't think that this was what I got in my last sub box, but I did just get one of these. I'm going to have to go back and look at my last video and see what I got. This is a lot of repeats. Okay, so next is the Cocoa Cloud Aftershave Moisturizer. I'm happy with that, but again, I feel like this is something that I've just got. So this is not there's the Cocoa Cloud Shave Cream, and then there's the moisturizer, and there's also a serum. I need that serum. I really do. Okay. I'm missing something. Oh, my cat jumped in the box. So, okay. So last but not least is this. Now, this is the first time I've ever got this in a box. And I'm very happy to get it because I have never got it before. And I've heard a lot of good things. So it's Tansy Water Anti-Blemish Body Mist. It's blue tansy, beta-glucan, blueberry, allantoin, antioxidant boost. So this would go really, really well with the blueberry kush scrub. And I don't know. This is interesting to get. And I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with this because I mean, it smells good, but that's not, I don't know. Okay, so now this is not a part of the sub box. I ordered this separately. So this is the Bubble Butt Jelly Body Scrub. This is a new thing from Truly. I've heard that it smells really, really good. And it does. It's very... Wow. Okay, so I'm going to do a video on it by itself. Wow, that is crazy. Oh, I can't smell. Oh. I smell something. I don't know what it is. Interesting. Okay, I can't tell if it's like strawberry or I don't know. The ingredients are retinol, kombucha, ceramides, saffron, and dragon fruit. Okay, that's what it is. The dragon fruit boost. Okay. All right. So is that it, Kitty? Is there anything else in there? Here, my kitty wants to say hi. She loves these boxes. She loves to, as soon as I take stuff out, boy, she jumps right in. Okay, so I don't know what to think of this box. Like, I don't want to say that it's a bad sub box because the repeats, because I don't know if the repeats are from where I just got the Labor Day sale, and I'm really happy with the Blue Tansy water and the Cocoa Cloud. Like I said, I just got the anti-cellulite resurfacing body serum, and I mean that's a great product, but you know, so that's definitely going to be like giveaway stuff. So, all right, speaking of giveaway, we are just going to comment. You guys comment, let me know that yes, you want to be a part of it. Right now, I probably have 10 or 15 people that have commented and said that they want to. I was going to do like a quiz or something, but you know, I had kind of a bad week last week, and it was like, let's just do easy, you know. So I will add all of the names that say that they want to be a part of it. I'll add them to a list, and we will do another kitty race. So I have a box coming today. I will probably do it tomorrow. So I'm going to give you guys a couple more days to comment and let me know. And yeah, we'll do it probably Monday or Tuesday. So that will give everybody, you know, enough time to get in, because literally I'm getting subscribers as, you know, every day. So that's, I'm so happy. 156. Okay. So yeah, I think that's it. Like, I felt like there was something else, but I don't think so. All right, so I'm going to shut up now, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye.